that unknown gunmen don't go carry some member of Zion ministry. The people will go the church, they come back. Now these gunmen carry 3 people for road, and luckily many people their car everything spoil, and thank God say nobody buy currently. So the people wey dey carry enter inside bush will never know how they be that this thing dey happen for Imo State. No be small thing o. A lot of things are going on. When we talk say this church wey Bukobi carry come back to southeast, a lot of people go there against am. And some people wey get deeper eyes will know the benefit. Some say no be company, some say that is not a factory. But let us say that it is Ebukobi business. He are bringing it home, so let other people also bring their own home. Ndị Igbo, let us try to be realistic sometimes. Let us try to focus sometimes. So when we focus, we'll be able to fish out those people who don't need the betterment of our Igbo. I'm not against the church. Bringing it home is the best option. That tax is paying to Lagos. Let us also pay it to the government of Imo State. I know that there must be something, or even the way the community brought enlightenment to the community. A lot of development are coming along that area because of the coming of that church. So for those people who are behind this evil act, doing all this sort of thing, rethink and let your land be better for you. My people are going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue.
Nwa Zion abụghị n'oriri n'elu ụwa o. Nwa Zion abụghị n'oriri anabara agụ mba n'elu ụwa o. Nwa Zion abụghị n'oriri. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ gwogwo onye ruo ụkọfụ n'anya. Ha bụ ndị bịara program na-alazi ala. Ha mere n'Ihite Junction dị na Ngọkpala before gị ruo airport junction ebe ndị amị na-anọ. Ka ndị kidnap kwụsịrị this our brother ka ha memi na ya hapụ ha gbawa ọsọ, ha chụwa ya gbaa ya egbe. Legodo ka moto gwụrụ agwụ ma n'ihu o ma n'azụ gbarịchicha azụ. Lee ya onwe ihe mere ya, ha onye n'anya dị moto ọka kọọ ya ma ndị hi na ya so ebe o were stika ma n'iru ma n'azụ stika onwe ihe mere ya. Moto agbarịrị moto agbarị ma taya oto buru ya ma escape. Lee ya everywhere gwụrụ agwụ. Onwe onye nwụrụ nọ. Hey, Chineke kwekwele ha ọjọọ. Chineke anyị na-efe, Chineke ike ịbaje Chukwu ebuka n'ozobi ekwe ka ihere mee ndị ya. Ka nke na-eme today, let's hand ndị he na ya so. Nothing happened to them. Ọ ga-amasị m ka ịwọcha ihe onyonyo a ma kelekwa Chineke nke a na-emere anyị ihe. Chineke ka ịbanye Chukwu ebuka n'ozobi. Ọ ya ka m ga na-efe 247 maka na ọ na-arụ ọrụ gwogwo. Agbarịrị moto agbarị. Wọcha ihe onyonyo a ma pịkwara m aka na share button. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ gwogwo. Whoa.
Look at.
I'm telling you.
Ụmụ Zion na-awa n'oriri. Ụmụ Zion na-awụga 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 n'oriri.
This man is Look at the second car. Look at the second car, the man they were adopted. Look at this car. Look at the man they adopted this car. They kidnapped this man. And they took the man to the bush. Look at this man now, they took the man to the bush. They adopted this man. Yes, now, why don't you know? See my own car here. I thought. I want to put nothing. The government taking this eye on. I don't want Apple this man, which I happen to man.
You told people.
Yeah, those people had it. I had 4 young ones, supposed to be 3. See, I want 4. I put all the bar. So I didn't the more Apple say this man.
My wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. I know that everyone has his own belief or what you believe on, but I don't want us to look all these things in a religion's way. Please, I beg on anyone who is doing this nonsense kidnapping in Igbo land, the youth of every village is to look very, very well to make sure they fish out those people. It is never a good thing. It is never in our DNA. It is never a culture of Ndi Igbo. The youth of every village to be very careful and vigilant to fish these people out. Okay, we are saying our brothers, come back, come back, come back, come back. Do you know that most of these people now that have this, most of them are from Lagos and come back, and this is what start happening to them already. It's never a good thing to us. Anyone that is in support of this is against Ndigbo. Is the enemy of Ndigbo. If you are support of this thing that is happening, you are enemy of Ndigbo and against Ndigbo. Guys, share this video.